Alright guys, welcome to week 10 of our virtual field trips. Today we are going to Ellis Island. To start the virtual field trip, I want you guys to watch the video. If you guys see my mouse, that's going to be right here. Similar to all the other ones, I want you guys to watch the video right here first because the video will explain everything you guys will need to do today. Um, so first start off by watching the video. Then you'll click on this link right here. So you'll click on that link and the link will take you to this website. So this is going to take you to the link. This is virtual field trip to Ellis Island. This video is about 30 minutes long and it's going to give you a description on what Ellis Island is and a little bit about the history behind it. You can feel free to explore. So there's three different tabs, not including the video. So you'll come right here to Ellis Island, and this will show you the physical layout of the building. You can click right here. We're going to click on the first stop, the passage. This is going to tell you a story of what Ellis Island is at this stop. So right here, we're on the passage. And then it also has some photos of what it looked like from that time. The passage is just people coming over historically during this time from Europe to America. And they would actually come through an island next to the Statue of Liberty. So, we know the Statue of Liberty. Right next to it, there's actually an island called Ellis Island, and that's what we're going over today. And then you have the next stop, the arrival, when the immigrants would actually get to America. And this is the story. You can look at some more photos. You can see Statue of Liberty in the distance. They actually have some audio, some sound from that time that you guys can check out. And then also videos from that time. And you can go through and check out all the different stops throughout being at Ellis Island, which I think are really cool, really insightful. The next thing, Ellis Island, it's about immigration to America. So you can meet young immigrants. You can meet some from Ukraine, from South Korea, Sierra Leone, India, and Mexico. These are all immigrants coming from different parts of the world and kind of explain why their family wanted to come to the United States, the benefits they have. They have a video, a little bit about the immigrant themselves, the age, their grade. So you might be able to meet some kids your age, 11 years old, let's see, 12-year-olds. We have a sixth grader, uh, a fifth grader, and let's see how old Gabriella is. And Gabriella is a seventh grader. So there's some kids your age and explains why they're coming here, where they're coming from. The next tab right here says immigration data. And this goes over immigration first by the decades. These are how many people throughout from the 1820s to 2010, the total immigrants by data. And it shows you the numbers, which is pretty interesting. We see a boom in the 1900s, and then we see a dip, and then we also see another boom in the like the 80s to 2000s. Then it also shows us by region. So the first one was by decade, this is by region. And if we look, Europe is the leading nation for immigration. Then we have North and South America. Then we have Asia, Africa, Oceania, and then not specified. So you can go through all the data, and there's a bunch of other little facts you can read down here. And then finally, there are uh, by 50-year periods and region. So every 50 years, it shows you where people were coming from. So if we look from the 1820s to the 1869, a majority of the people were coming from Europe. And if we fast forward to 1970s to 2010, we see most people are coming from North America and South America. So obviously, the United States, Ellis Island is in North America. So when we talk about North America, immigration, we're talking about people coming from Mexico. We're talking about people coming from Canada. When we're talking about South America, we're talking about Central America. We're talking about South America as a whole. All right, so these are some of the countries. These are some of the questions that are answered. So feel free to explore. There's also a historical timeline you guys can check out. It shows all this cool stuff. Feel free to, explore the website. It's pretty cool, pretty insightful. And then also, the video is a little long, but I think it's really informative and some cool stuff. Once you guys are done, come over here, and then there will be a link for a Google form, similar like all the other ones. If you guys look right here, there's a Google form. Google form. Go ahead and answer the questions in that to be entered for your chance of a raffle. All right, thank you guys for coming. I hope you guys have fun exploring Ellis Island.